TestUp.io, the easiest test automation tool on the web. Quality assurance and regression tests. An easy overview of the status of the application.
Hello, my name is Stefan Dirnstorfer. I am the CTO of TestUp.io. Today, we're going to take a look at how we at TestUp.io use our own test automation software to test our own test automation software. Here you can see a regression test. We have created tests for each and every individual feature that our software provides. And we are running through these tests every time we have a new pull request or a new release as part of our CI/CD pipeline. What you can see here are the results of each of those tests. And you can easily spot some accumulation of red dots, that is failures. Here, for example, we have a pull request that caused all or most of the tests to fail. And that is, let's say, the easy part, because that pull request will most likely be rejected and the developer can fix the issue before it's even getting into our stage or even production environment. What is more difficult are the horizontal lines. That means that a feature fails and it keeps failing over various pull requests, and in worst case, it even fails on master. This usually means that some of the outside dependency has changed or something just has evaded the tests from the QA environment, something that's not reproduced there. This is also easy because very likely someone is already complaining out loud because one of our core features is no longer working. This already is on the top priority of our tasks. But what is even more difficult are the sparkling points. That means that a test doesn't consistently fail. It just fails more and more often. This is some latency issue, some lagging stability, something that is difficult to address, and no individual person will feel responsible for this issue. And that's where I, as a CTO, need to step in and analyze what's the problem and keep the ball rolling to see who can take on the issue. And that is what I really love about this software. I see vertical lines when a pull request or release is to be rejected and it's not going to be deployed. I see horizontal lines when a feature is failing consistently and something stops working. And I see sparkling points where latency occurs, where stability deteriorates, and that's where I need to step in and analyze. That is why I really love to use TestUp.io, because it allows me to directly focus on those areas where I need to step in. And this saves me so much time because I can see the difficult bugs and I am not overwhelmed by all the simple failures. And that saves me time, and that's why I love this software, and that is why I recommend that you use TestUp.io for your regression tests too.
Thanks for watching. Take a look at our other videos to learn more about TestUp.